CAME GT4 Barrier Gate, ZL392 Control Board full wiring and terminal explanation. Welcome back to my channel Auto Door Surgeon. Today's video is very important for all automatic gate technicians, electricians and beginners. In this video, I will explain the complete wiring, diagram and terminal connections of the CAME GT4 Barrier Gate with ZL392 Control Board step by step. So watch the video completely because after this video you can easily understand and wire the CAME ZL392 board professionally. Control Board Introduction. This is the CAME ZL392 control panel used in the CAME GT4 automatic barrier system. Main power supply connection. Now let's start from the most important part, the 230 volt AC main supply. The board requires 230 volt AC input. Always use proper grounding and circuit protection. Before wiring, make sure the main power is OFF. Improper wiring can damage the control board permanently. Antenna connection. Now let's connect the external antenna. This is the top A for 3 an antenna. Purpose of antenna: increase remote range, improve signal reception. Recommended cable: RG58 cable. Maximum length 5 meters. The antenna wires connect directly to the antenna terminals near the AF module. Correct antenna installation gives much better remote performance. Photocell safety sensor wiring. Now let's move to the safety devices. Here we have CAME DIR photocells. This is a single pair photocell. RX equals receiver. TX equals transmitter. These safety sensors stop the boom if a vehicle or person passes through the barrier. RX terminal connections. In control board terminal 10 is power positive. Connect by wire on receiver sensor terminal 10. In control board terminal 2 is power negative. Connect by wire on receiver sensor terminal 2. In control board terminal CX is safety contact output. Connect by wire on receiver sensor terminal on C. In receiver sensor take common wire for relay from terminal 2. The NC contact connects to the control board safety input. TX terminal connections. From receiver sensor terminal TX, connect by wire on transmitter sensor TX terminal. This positive power supply. From receiver sensor terminal 2. Connect by wire on TX sensor terminal 2. This is a negative power supply. Terminal 2 is common and negative terminal. The control board automatically checks photocell operation before movement. This improves safety according to EN standards. Very important for professional installations. Terminal block explanation. Now let's understand the lower main terminal block. This section is the heart of all external connections. Terminal 10 and 11. These are accessory power outputs used for photocells, external sensors and safety accessories. Terminal E1 and TS, used for safety test and monitored devices. Terminal 1 and 2. These terminals are commonly used for command inputs and common connections. Terminal 3P, used for partial opening or pedestrian function depending on programming.
Stop button, NC contact. This stops the boom and excludes automatic closing. Use a control device to resume movement.
Terminal 3 and common 2 is Open Only function.
This was the complete wiring explanation of the CAME GT4 Barrier Gate ZL392 Control Board. I hope this video helps you understand all terminals and accessory connections professionally.